How to stop PDFs from opening automatically on Microsoft Edge. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to stop PDFs from opening up directly on Microsoft Edge. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to go over to your Edge browser. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account and tap on the three dots at the top right where you can find your settings. Once you head over to settings menu, from here, go to the left-hand side and find Privacy, Search, and Services. Go to Site Permissions, and then go to All Permissions. Now, scroll down a bit until you find PDF Documents. Click on it. Now, you can just go ahead and turn this one off where it says View PDF Settings. Make sure this is turned off, and it's going to now stop automatically opening up your PDF on your Edge. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.